Class 7, Subject English, Unit 1, Warm Up with Tara and Friends. We all know Tara and her friends. We have met her in our last standard, that is 6th standard. This year also, Tara and her friends have come to play with us. Let's see what are they talking about. Here is our friend Tara. Tara says, "Hi Bittu, hi Paddy, hi Cuckoo. I am so excited about starting studies again." Bittu says, "Oh no, holidays are over." Cuckoo says, "More play on the school ground." And Paddy says, "Hi Tara, I am excited too. I will see my friends." We can see some other friends of theirs. Here is Toto. Toto says, "I'm sad without Paddy." Mia the cat is there. She says, "We are lucky we don't have school." Then Mittu says, "Mia, you will never learn." So these were Tara and her friends. With them we are playing some games. Here is one of the game. It names Be Quick. Be quick. Let's play. The instructions given are: form groups of 5. Choose one of the following tables at a time. Each one in the group reads aloud the words from the table as fast as possible. Table. Let's read the words vertically. The, be, to, of, and, a, in, that, have, I, it, for, not, on, with, he, as, you, do, at, this, but, his, by, from. Here is the second table. Let's read the words vertically. They, we, her, she, or, and, will, my, one, all, would, their, dear, what, so, up, out, if, about, who, which, me, when, can, no. Table number 3. Say, get, make, like, know, take, see, look, come, think, use, work, want, give, go, time, people, year, good, well, way, new, day, to, first. And the last one, just, him, into, your, some, could, them, other, than, then, now, it's, over, also, after, how, our, back, even, because, any, these, only, most, us. Friends, practice reading these words aloud correctly till you can do so in 15 seconds. Wow! Friends, did you like this video? Do tell us through your comments, and for watching more videos, stay tuned with Scholarly. Till then, take care and bye-bye.